In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove last name on Facebook only for newly created accounts. But your account is older than 1 year, you have to follow another new method. You can find that video link in the description or as the first comment. Let's jump into the video. If you try to remove last name on Facebook, it says you must provide a last name. To avoid this, you have to use VPN. Go to Play Store, App Store, then type and search Indonesia VPN. You can use this VPN or you can use this VPN too. I will put all the links in the description. Use this one, VPN Indonesia Pre-VPN and Security Unblock Proxy. First install, then open. Now click accept. Then you have to connect to Indonesian servers. Tap server list. Then scroll all the way to the bottom. Then you can find Indonesia. Here you can see number of free Indonesian servers. Just select one. I will select the first one. Then close the advertisement. Now tap the rocket icon. Then just tap OK in the pop-up window. Now it is connecting. After connecting, you can see download and upload speed and the correct sign. Now close all the application. Then open Facebook application. Tap the hamburger menu. Now open settings. Tap personal and account information. Tap name. Now you can remove your last name. I will minimize my keyboard. As you see in the video, there is no any last name. Just tap preview change. Here you have to enter your password. After entering, tap save changes. Now you can see there is no any last name. I will show you how my profile looks like. Close the Facebook application, then open it again. If you go to your profile, you can see there is no any last name. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you soon.